Hi guys, how are you? In this video, I will show you how to make the ever simplest calculator. Okay, let's go. Start new project. Calculator. Hit enter. Wait a minute. Okay, go to the layout section. Vertical alignment 1. Horizontal arrangement. Okay. Set it center. Sorry, top. Sorry, 20%. Width 100%. Enter. Make it center. Top. Height 70%. Width filter. Okay, now go to the user interface section. Drag a level, another level here. Okay. Now here, okay, and check. I make it 60%, 40%, and again go to the section. The vertical arrangement. Height 30%. Parent. Okay. The interface. Text box. Drag another text box. Make it center. Okay. Now drag 4 button. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Rename it to plus and font size 30. Click on button 2. Font size 30. Rename it to minus. Font size 30. Rename it to multiply 30 and it's a divisor. Okay. Clear the text box to clear the text. Okay, now go to the block section. Drag a button, button 1, click 2. Click on map plus level set level text to okay. Drag here, copy another here, level 2 text click on textbox 1, textbox 1, text, duplicate it, textbox 2, duplicate it for 10, size 10, clean up block, button 2, click on map, sorry, drag it here, click on map, click it, Drag it here and it here. Delete it. The button 2, this is the button 3, this is the button 4. We can connect the companion. That's that we can 5 multiply we can 2. Thanks for watching this video.